It's Monday. We back. More money. What's going on? I want to talk about meal planning. A lot of people like to do this thing called meal prepping. That's nasty. Who is making food on Monday and eating it on Friday? Your stomach gonna hurt. You don't want to do that. You want a meal plan. What you want to do is write down what you're gonna eat throughout the week. You don't have to cook it. Just have an idea of what you want to do. Because what they usually call this stuff is fast food. It's convenience food. See, when you don't know what you want to eat, first thing you see, you're gonna buy it. If you're in the area where food is $15, you're gonna pay that $15. But if you planned ahead, you could have fixed your lunch and your breakfast at the house. But you want to get up late and watch TV and do all that other stuff. No. Get up and plan what you're gonna eat. People waste too much time trying to figure out what they want to eat. And then they eat bad. Then you don't want to go to the gym. Don't do that. Monday, Sunday night, write down what you want to eat for the week and then cook it that day. You know, a lot of people with this meal prep stuff, they be cooking food, salad on Monday, it be brown by Thursday. What you doing? You look bad at the job. People are like, man, they must not have no money. Why are you eating brown salad?